Well, it's another beautiful day here in Watertown, South Dakota at Team Lodge. Gonna take you on a little shop walkthrough. We just had a big steel order come in for some frames. Excited to get those rolling. We got some walls sitting here, ready to go in the shop. An office trailer. Bama's getting an office trailer decked here. Got an office trailer framed up, ready to get the roof sheeting and electrical put in. We got Sean over here working on a junior non-drop. This one's actually going to be headed to Arizona. It'll be a fun walkthrough on this one. It's a very unique little unit. Then another office trailer up here. You can see we're getting it all paneled up on the exterior. Got a few more panels to put on, and we'll cut the doors and windows out and roll it into the spray foam booth, which is now collapsed. We got a little inflatable spray foam booth. You've all seen it. Pretty fun little deal. And we'll go upstairs here. This is where we build all of our bunks. You can see our foam supply is a little bit depleted right now. We've been shipping these out like crazy lately. We got some stuff going on, waiting on some frames, waiting on some more material. We're pretty stocked up. So if you're interested in any furniture product, go to teamlodgestore.com. Check them out. Then we're on the back side of the spray foam booth on what we call the finishing side of the line. You can see we're getting the aluminum interior installed on the walls. You can see the walls are all full of spray foam as well as the ceiling. The Tekor PVC is in on the ceiling. So we'll get all the walls put in, and they'll start putting windows and doors. 60 by 36 window here and here on this trailer. And then as you can see right through there, it'll get a 24 by 36. Bunch of Tekor ready to go on some walls. And this is a doghouse. You can see it's completed on the exterior. They're going to start doing the trim out and finish work on that. And on the interior, just the locker room for all the rig hands. It'll get a bunch of aluminum cabinets up front, walk door, 24 by 36 window here, a bunch of exterior floodlighting. Got the build cart. You can see how much stuff has to go in this trailer yet. And this is a unique one. This is a gooseneck trailer. It's all aluminum interior, PVC ceiling, very bright, very vibrant. This one is going to go to Minnesota. Galvanized frame. It's got the rear trench drain in it as well. Happy Jack lift bed. Our 30 by 80 double bunk. It's going to have a toilet and sink up there in the front. Furnace up top. There'll be another furnace on this side. One will be vented forward, one will be vented backwards. Big unit. Beautiful unit. Water heater. It's got these access doors. The front gooseneck portion. A little trim out work to do up there. Super nice. And galvanized hydraulic landing gear. It'll get folding steps and whatnot put in it, but just a big old unit. Get an awning on it. And here is a Grand Lodge non-drop. We just shipped one out to a customer in Washington State. This one's actually going to head to a customer down in Houston, Texas. So this is our final station in the line. The guys are getting all the finishing touches put on it. Bunch of tote storage brackets, 30 by 80 double bunk. We got the cabinets over both wheel wells, similar to a Grand Lodge drop style. We got the hanging bars up top, enclosed. Bunch of nice cabinetry, sink, cooktop, microwave, big fridge. Ooh, that's cold. And then the big shower, 36 by 36 shower, toilet. A bunch of room in this one. So if you're interested in a trailer, give us a call, 605-880-6335 or sales@teamlodge.com.